Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Eric Anderson. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2013 Chrysler Town & Country Limited. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with chrome power heated side mirrors, power sliding side doors, power venting rear windows, and sunscreen glass. The 2013 Chrysler Town & Country offers a strong engine, confident handling, and a well-trimmed cabin. This Chrysler has 17-inch polished aluminum painted wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Chrysler is in good condition. It has automatic HID headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, rain-sensing wipers, and a really nice bright grille with the iconic Chrysler emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder 3.6-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Chrysler has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 20 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Chrysler has only 65,297 miles on it. At the back of the Chrysler, you can see the rear wiper and the tow package, along with the large brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious. You can use the power controls to the back seats for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a power outlet and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Chrysler even has a very comfortable third row seating option, with a drop-down DVD player for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their own climate controls and yet another drop-down screen for the DVD player. These seats are even heated, and occupants can utilize the fold-down armrest and the bottle holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also children's safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice simulated wood and chrome interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. The driver's seat even has a memory feature. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Chrysler is also equipped with power adjustable pedals, a garage door opener, an alarm system, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power venting rear windows, the power door locks, and the power windows with front row one-touch up and down. This Chrysler has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping leather-wrapped and heated steering wheel with the on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the power tilting and sliding moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 9 amplified speakers and a subwoofer. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using your USB or auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has DVD capability and comes with headphones and a remote control. You also have a tri-zone automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.